Growth factor in skincare sounds like magic, right? But does the ordinary 15% GF solutions really delivers? I have put it to the test and I have a lot to say about this product. Let's find out whether it's really worth the hype or just an overpriced gimmick. So The Ordinary launched this GF 15% solution that claims to minimize and repair visible skin damage using advanced growth factors like EGF, IGF and TGF, all of which sound super promising for anti-aging, hydration and skin firmness. But now let's just break it down and see whether it's a skincare breakthrough or just a overpriced product. So short story before we talk about this particular product, that I was using their Argiline solution before this one, but I haven't combined both of them because I just wanted to see the individual results of both of them. Now I have tried it and now I can put these together in my skincare routine and can see like how they work better together, because I have seen many people just combining both of the serums. Some are combining it with the copper peptide, but I have tested it individually just to see like whether it is itself it's effective or not. So this one got growth factors. Now what is growth factors? These are basically proteins that will help to regenerate your skin. Second, this got peptides, which are well known for collagen synthesis and skin firmness. Still there are some doubts like whether these peptides are effective individually or they need some supportive ingredients. That's why I was so keen to test this product individually, because when you're pairing it with some other, then how would you know like this particular one is sufficient or not? So that's why I have tested it individually. Apart from the growth factors and the peptides, this got bunch of the humectants, which will help to hydrate the skin. Formula is fragrance free, which is a plus. Now the texture of this one is really light. I just love this texture. Now I love such serums which have a very lighter consistency that just feel like water, and you can layer them with your other skincare products. Like otherwise, if a product is sticky, if the serum is thick in consistency, you won't be able to layer this one up. So that's the plus point of this serum, that it is a very lightweight texture which gets sinks instantly into your skin, doesn't feel heavy, doesn't feel sticky, and once it sink, it feels like you have nothing on your face, and you can layer your multiple layer of the toner and any other serum with this one. It won't make your skin feel heavy. That is the best part. Now coming to the results. Now like I said, I have finished one bottle of the Argiline solution, and if you have seen my this review, you know that I have absolutely loved it. But the only problem with that serum was that was not a permanent solution. Like once you stop it, within a week you can see your whatever skin changes you have seen, they get reversed. उसके साथ ऐसा है that you have to be consistent with that serum, then you will see the best of the results. So once that bottle was over, I was using this one. So results were almost same. My skin was looking same as before. Like I haven't seen a better results with this one, but yes, as such जैसे firmness पहले था वही firmness अभी भी इसके साथ भी मुझे feel हुआ. Now I have stopped it since last 1 week and मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे difference नज़र नहीं आ रहा है. Yes, this has worked really well. I can see my skin firm. I can see the skin is looking better. Now I will test this with the Argiline solution because I have purchased another bottle of that serum, so I can now pair this one up. But I am planning a comparison video between the copper peptide, the Argiline and the growth factor. Like if you are confused like which one should you go for, like you should go for the copper peptide or the Argiline or this one, और कौन सा कॉम्बिनेशन है जो ज़्यादा बेटर काम करता है. सो आई एम प्लानिंग ऑन दैट वीडियो एज वेल. सो इफ यू डोंट वांट टू मिस दैट वीडियो, मेक श्योर दैट you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell, because I know 87% of you who are watching have not subscribed yet, and here is the proof. I'm not lying. ठीक है, I know you guys love my content, but you forgot to subscribe, you forgot to press the notification bell, and then I post the videos and you miss out. So just make sure that you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell press कर देना, so you never miss out that video which I'm planning next. So yes, it is a beautiful serum. If you wanted to go for this one, you can. It's a thumbs up from my side. So yeah, I hope you found it helpful. If you do, don't forget to hit like, share, subscribe, press the bell buttons and never miss any of our videos. Now I'm gonna see you in my next. Until then, take care.